All right, the first part of this video, we're going to talk about back screen, what we should be doing when there's back screens. So there's one right here. Boom, first back screen, okay? When you see your man setting a back screen, you've got to try and slow down the guy who's cutting off the screen and not give him free reign. So in this case, PJ, you gotta step out and make this guy's life a little bit harder cutting to the basket so that Kai has time to recover. So you can also call switches. You know, it depends on what scheme you guys want to run. If you switch, it's easy, right? You switch, you just pick up this man. Now Kai has this guy. But in this case, since he's a big, you probably don't want to switch. But you've got to step out and see which way this guy's cutting and make his life a little bit more difficult getting to the lane. See, he gets free reign. And really, this guy probably had a bounce pass and a potential layup right here. Now again, here's another one. This guy's coming from the corner and he's setting a down screen to Kai. And in this case, Nate needs to be aware that this guy is cutting out to the corner. So Nate, I would like to see you maybe flash out a little bit, help Kai out, or just call a switch and get this guy. But be aware of the screen that's coming. See, you can see here, Kai gets caught up in the screen, gives this guy in the corner a wide open look. Look how much time he's got. Tons of space. Great rebound, PJ. Way to crash the boards. Now, this is an example of where you guys as a team could really improve by accelerating your transition offense. It needs to be rebound, outlet, and go. It needs to be quick transition. That'll lead to layups. Instead, everybody, if you watch them, gets real stagnant and stands around and waits for PJ to make a pass, and not an easy one. So, okay, Nate takes off. I like that. But you can see Kai, Miles, and Trevor are all just staring at PJ with the ball, which means the defense can guard all these passes fairly easily. There's tons of wide open space over here. Trevor should not be looking for a backwards pass to get the ball. He should be running to the outlet area, which is usually here. And PJ should be firing this ball up to the outlet area, and Willow Glen should be taking off on a transition fast break. Okay? That's classic basketball. Rebound, outlet, and go. All right? So you guys need to run to the outlet spots. You can see Trevor is still standing here. It's not where you want to be. You want to be way over here. PJ can make this pass. You just got to get to the open area. Run and call outlet, outlet. All right? You guys over here need to be doing the same. Like, get to open space. These guys are guarding you. Standing here is not helping PJ at all. You guys got to move to open space. So maybe one of you can come down to the corner while the other one goes far opposite wing as Trevor. Everybody's stagnant, so Trevor has to come back and get the ball straight underneath the hoop, the last place you want to get the ball. I mean, you had a big man with the ball underneath the hoop, which is what you want. And now you got a small man underneath the hoop, which is what you don't want. You guys have made a good situation worse. Okay? Because now and then there's a turnover, and you got a smaller guy on the ball, which is easier to get the ball ripped away from. They're just going to have a putback layup. If Trevor gets the ball out here, you guys are gone. And leads to basically a turnover.